1? Down, straight. What comes after 1? How can I write 2? Round. Good. What comes after 2? How can I write 3? Very good. What comes after 3? How can I write 4? Very good. What comes after 4? 5. How can I write 5? Super. Okay, what comes after 7? 8. How can I write 8? Round. Front. Okay, what?